Here's what it's like trying to put a belt on this motherfucker by myself. Notice the bumper support. That's the first sign it's gonna be a motherfucker. Really fucking hold me back down there, bud. You know, you got the tensioner spring. You know, gotta wrap it around the water pump. Oh, missed that spot. Sure fucking did. Oh no, you're alright. Got that all fucking down in there. You know, and you gotta go around another pulley while keeping it on these other two pulleys. Oh yeah. Oh, something's wrong there. Oh yeah, I gotta get the shoulder in there. You know, it's my third leg. And you know, you got like 3/4 of an inch before this motherfucker will even go on. You know, so why the fuck not? That's a problem. Now let's spin the crank, huh? Oh shit, I almost had it. Boy. Oh, I fucking got it. There's no fucking way. Holy fucking shit. I fucking got it on there. Oh! Now I just need to... Now I just need to spin it a little bit more. So here's the contraption that I got going on here. So I got my spring tensioner socket strapped up onto my shoulder, you know, because maximum leverage. As I was spinning this motherfucker, I was also let's see if I can do this. I was also using the screwdriver to help pry that belt around the pulley down there while spinning everything. So, what a bitch.